Want to organize your messages on a Samsung Galaxy? Let's create conversation categories. Open the Samsung Messages app on your device. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner to access more options. Go to Settings from the drop-down menu. Enable the Conversation Categories feature to get started. Now, tap Plus to add a new category. Give your category a name, like Work or Friends, anything that helps you organize better. Then, add relevant chats to this category for quick access. Alternatively, you can do the same by tapping the plus to the left in the main message window. To modify or delete categories, press on the three dots at the top right corner and press Edit Categories. Press Edit to change the name or remove the category. Removing a category only deletes the group, not the messages inside. You've got it. Subscribe for more simple tips.